Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add keyframes in CapCut Mobile. Now let's begin. Initially, let's open the CapCut app in our mobile device. It's right here, let's click on it. Now there are lots of features available here like edit, templates, inbox and me as well. But for now, let's simply go to edit and create a new project. I'm simply gonna select this one and click on add. Now this media has been successfully imported to the timeline. Well, I'm simply gonna scroll around to look at where I want to add the keyframe. Now this is the position where I want to add the keyframe. I'm simply gonna click on the video. And at the bottom, right here, you can see this diamond-like structure. Simply click on it. And there it is, that's your keyframe. Now in this keyframe, you can do many things such as add styles, enhance video.
You can adjust the volume, transform, it's completely up to you.
Let's say we added another keyframe and now we want to delete it. Just put this liner over this keyframe and again in this keyframe-like icon, simply click on it and your keyframe is removed. Now the possibilities are endless. You can edit the video however you like. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you add keyframes in CapCut Mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.